Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial. In this Austrian German tutorial, we are talking about question tags in Standard as well as in Austrian German. They are quite different from the English question tags, so check this out. In this Austrian German tutorial, we are talking about question tags in Austrian German. They are quite different from the English question tags, so let's get started. Before we take a look at the question tags in Austrian German, I'd like to point out some examples in English. At the end of a sentence, you come across question tags like isn't it, couldn't you, don't you? In Austrian German, there can be found especially 4 important forms of question tags. The first one is nicht wahr, with Austrian accent, nicht wahr. The second one is stimmt. This is common in Standard as well as in Austrian German. Another question tag in German is oder. In Vorarlberg, the state in the east, next to Switzerland, people will say oder. The most typical Austrian question tag is gell. There is also a more informal way to use it, which is goe. The more formal way to express it is goens. Summing up, we can find several question tags in Standard as well as in Austrian German. We can use nicht wahr, stimmt's, oder, gell, goe oder goens. Now it's time for the Q&A with Mike. He wants to know, that's nice, isn't it? And the correct translation with Austrian accent is, this is nett, gell? So thanks a lot for watching, please subscribe and see you in the next video. Gell?